everyone, my name is Feng. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn some new words about school things. Number 1. Pen. Pen. Number 2. Ruler. Ruler. Number 3. Eraser. Eraser. Number 4. Pencil. Pencil. Number 5. Marker. Marker. Number 6. Notebook. Notebook. Number 7. Board. Board. Number 8. Pencil case. Pencil case. Number 9. Bag. Bag. Number 10. Calculator. Calculator.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the phrases there is and there are. We will study there is and there are with 4 main forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and short answers. Now, let's start with there is and there are. In the affirmative, to say something exists somewhere, we usually use there is or there are. We use there is with the singular nouns. For example, there is a book on the table, and we can use the contraction to sound more natural. So you can say, there's a book on the table. We use there are with the plural nouns. For example, there are some books on the desk. Now, let's see more examples of there is and there are in the affirmative. There's a school in my neighborhood. There's a pencil case in my bag. There's an air conditioner in my class. There are 20 students in my class. There are some chalks in the box. There are many teachers in our faculty. Now, let's look at there is and there are in the negative. To say something does not exist somewhere, we usually use there is not with the singular nouns. For example, there is not any fan in this room. And with the contractions, we can say there isn't any fan in this room. We use there are not with the plural nouns. For example, there are not any buses on Sunday, or there aren't any buses on Sunday. Please notice that you just use the word any in negative or interrogative sentences. Now, let me give more examples of there is and there are in the negative. There isn't any homework today. There isn't any comic book on the shelf. There aren't any good films on TV. There aren't any students on the playground. And what about questions? Now, we will look at there is and there are in the interrogative. In questions, the verb go first. So we simply change the positions of two words. There is becomes is there. There are becomes are there. And we can also use the word any when we want to express the quantity. Now, let me give some more examples of there is and there are in the interrogative. Is there a place for me? Is there any glue? Is there a problem with the computer? Are there any bus stops near here? Are there any homeworks? Are there any letters for me? Now, let's move on short answers with there is and there are. Remember that in English, we do not just say simply yes or no. Look at the examples of negative and affirmative short answers with there is and there are. Is there a place for me? Yes, there is. Is there any tape in the desk drawer? No, there isn't. Are there any bus stops near here? No, there aren't. Are there any homework today? Yes, there are. Well, that's our lesson today. Remember to review what we have learned and keeping learning English. Goodbye.